And we got this thing on the tripod and the selfie stick, so hopefully that's giving us a good view. And we'll close this. Let me move my, there we go. Move my microphone underneath me. It's a slight bit of wind. Let's fill the CG. And I'm hoping that this, CG feels good. I'm hoping that this 10x6 prop is going to be enough to lift this thing. So we're gonna give it full throttle and launch it, man. Hold on, let's do our check. All right, we're good. There it is, full throttle. There it is. Whew. There we go. Oh, she flies like a big plane, man. And that 10x6 seems to be doing pretty well. Let's get up in the altitude here. And we fiberglassed the front end on, so hopefully I don't think we'll pull the front end off, not with a 10x6, but yeah. This is the maiden flight of the Phoenix 2400, and we did epoxy the wings, we epoxy the fuselage, and we fiberglassed that front motor mount area. And we put a good layers of epoxy on top of that fiberglass, man, because we do not want that to come off. Whoa. There we go. Let's try to get more altitude out of it. It's not that hot out. There's probably not that many thermals out. All right. Zero throttle this thing and let's cruise it, man. I don't have the flaps on, so landing's gonna be something. I just wanted to get this thing out for a quick flight, so I did not put the flap servos in or cut the flaps out yet, which we can do.